Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a great cruiser of a Camaro right here. It's a convertible, 327 motor, power steering, power brakes, automatic. Just one of those get in, cruise, comfortable, reliable, very well restored. We got a folder full of receipts to document that. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study 100 pictures, and get the price. Not only on this car, but we have a few hundred collector cars, and they're all for sale. Visit volocars.com. Right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. Gentleman is a car collector. He's owned this car for quite a while. He's selling it now due to health concerns, but we have receipts. It was done at a professional shop. They did not make the car a $100,000 trailer queen, but they did a really nice job restoring the car, better than most, I would say. Underneath is all clean, solid metal. If there was any rust, they professionally replaced it. So the floors are real nice. The front end looks like it's been gone through and certain parts replaced as needed. Bottom of the motor is still clean. That was rebuilt. Has a power glide transmission, automatic transmission in there. Believe it or not, it still has a single exhaust. I told him it's probably the only Camaro left in the country with a single exhaust. Everyone puts duals. But he wasn't looking to make a hot rod, just wanted a nice, reliable car to cruise with. Fuel system's all new. The tank, the straps, that's all new. The body was professionally restored. It's actually a shop not far from here. They've been in business for decades, as long as I remember. This paint job is over 10 years old, and it looks like it was done yesterday. So again, it was professionally done. It's not cracking, shrinking, bubbling. It's all metal. It's been restored. They did an excellent job. The fit and finish is excellent. Fits nice and square. I mean, that hood fits perfectly square. Midnight blue paint. It's got a little bit of metal flake in it and just a really deep blue that's polished out, smooth and glossy, better than it would have looked in '67. The bumpers were replaced. The grille looks really nice. 14x7 rally wheels. They ordered new ones, all new trim. BFGoodrich tires look new. Correct antenna looks new and loose. We'll tighten that up. Emblems are new. Windshield looks new. It's got a new speaker in the dash. It's got mirrors. Door handles look original. Look how straight it is. It's smooth all down along the bottom. Well, that's just wax. It's all smooth, all metal, beautiful color. It's a white convertible top that was replaced. Now it's going back 10 years ago, but the car hasn't been really used at all. Top still looks really nice. Trunk fits beautifully. They tend to crack right here. This doesn't have cracks. Tail lights are nice. Bumper was replaced. Inside the trunk is real clean, all metal, all solid. It's got the shaker cans in the convertibles that convertibles came with. It's all painted nice. New weather strip, new rubber trunk mat, new well liner that the top goes down into. I believe in the receipts. The seats, door panels, armrests were replaced. The center console looks really good. The carpet's real nice. Interior lights work. It does have a retro stereo in there. I think there was a list of things like a heater control and just miscellaneous stuff. They went through this car very thoroughly. Original matching number 327 motor. They did upgrade it to a factory 4-barrel, so it's got a GM intake and carb, the right exhaust manifolds. It even has the heat shields around the spark plugs, the right air cleaner assembly. Everything looks completely stock. It has a hood insulation, has a fan shroud, has the horns. The squirters look like they're hooked up. And it does have, like I said earlier, power steering and power brakes. Batteries bolted down, the cables look new, the hoses look new. So just a nice cruiser of a Camaro. I'm going to start it up. It just purrs. It just feels good when you're driving it. And again, reading the receipts, knowing the shop that did it, knowing the owner of the car, seeing what I see. This should just be a good, reliable car. Just go use it. Give this car to your daughter, to your mother, to your wife, and you'll not regret it. I don't think I ever opened this door, so just to prove to you, it does open, no problems. Shuts real nice. The doors don't drop. The jambs are painted real nice. The latches look new. The weather strips look new. So there you have it, a nice, clean, honest Camaro convertible. Has everything you want to just go cruising and be comfortable and safe and reliable. And you're going to get compliments. It's a beautiful car. Visit volocars.com. There's plenty of ways on there to contact our salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. But they can answer any specific questions or concerns you have about the car and the whole process of the financing, delivery, paperwork. They can help with all of that. So visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.